Today we are here with a specific guide of converting exFat to Fat32 with AOMEI Partition Assistant. So let's get started. Firstly, download the AOMEI Partition Assistant in your desktop. Then simply right click the partition of the storage drive you want to click and select Format Partition option available there. Then choose the FAT32 file system in the pop-up window. Here you can specify cluster size under the file system if you need to, and then click OK to continue. After that, it will go back to the main interface. Preview the changes and click Apply, then tap on the Proceed to complete the operation. By following these simple steps, you can easily and effectively convert your USB flash drive, external hard drive, and many more. You are a partition assistant and can be best free exFat to Fat32 converter. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.